We hope that you all are very well with your family. As you know, students, that we have started active and passive voice in this grammar topic, and simple present tense we have completed. So now today in this video you will find simple past tense. So we'll go through active and passive both construction pattern in simple past tense. So our today's topic is simple past tense. So let's start it. Before we start, let me just remind you the rules of active and passive voice. When to use active and passive voice, what is the process of active and passive voice. So when that subject is the doer of the action is not more important, in that case passive voice is used. Student, so we can say that, see, the action is being done or action is done by someone. So that is expressed in that passive voice. Suppose, see, I am teaching you English. So that is active voice. So now you will turn that sentence, and if you will tell about your action of learning to someone, so that is described in passive voice. So we can say that we are being taught English grammar by ma'am. So this is passive construction, means the action is being done or action is done with someone or by someone. That is called passive voice. So today you will see in this video that a simple past tense of passive voice. So the active sentence pattern of simple past tense is, if we talk about the active voice, and you all know about that how to use and when to use, in which situation we can use past tense. So the action which is already completed in the past, which was completed in the past, that is described in simple past tense. Means yesterday we brought passive and active rules. So that is this simple past tense. Yesterday we went to the garden. Okay. Last day I met with my brother. Okay. Last day I visited the museum. So these all kind of activities were done in the past, and that's why it is used in simple past tense. So if we talk about the affirmative sentences and the active construction pattern for that is, so affirmative sentences so in affirmative, active voice is see. So in affirmative active voice we talk. So first we need subject, after that we do object, other words. And if we talk about the passive construction of affirmative, so passive voice, so that the sentence pattern is, here we will have object, that is subject of the active voice. Subject of phrase. After that we need buzzword V3 by subject, that is object of active voice plus other words. So this is the sentence pattern of simple past tense in active and passive voice. And now you are familiar with this position of subject and object, students. So no need to write this bracket, but then please for your information, and suppose you will not forget this. That's why you are writing. See, here it is subject, verb, object, other words. Now what happened in passive voice, the subject of the active voice will come here. After that was and verb according to the subject. After that we need V3 by subject, it means object of the active voice, and other words. We'll start the sentences, but before that you have not done this sentence pattern, students. one sentence, she ate all my share. So now just identify the subject and object from the sentences. So she is our subject here. This is our subject. This is our V2. This is object. Okay. So now we'll turn this place of subject and object. So this all my share come here, and this she will go there. Instead of share, we'll write that she ate all my apples. Okay, so this all my apples will come first. All my apples. Now we are talking about plural form. So verb. So all my apples were. Now we need V3 of this at. It at eaten. So eaten. After that we'll put by. Now who has eaten? So she. So that she becomes her. So this is the answer of this sentence. All my apples were eaten by her. Second, they invited me in the party. Again we find that subject, object and verb. So they is our subject, invited is our V2, me is our object, and in the party is our other words. Now this will be turned into passive voice. So in the party will not be changed its place. So that will be there. Now what is the subject? Object. Object is me. So when me comes earlier, means at the place of subject, at that time that me becomes I. So we'll turn that me into I. So I, which I will use was invited by them in the party. Don't put in the party word at the beginning, because see, when those words which suggest time and which suggest place, those words will not change its place. Or you can say the phrases or words with preposition will not change its place while you change those sentences into passive voice. So this in the party will not change its place. So the answer is I was invited by them in the party. Okay, number 3. She gave a speech. So the answer is a speech is our object. So a speech was given by her. So these are the sentences of simple past tense affirmative sentences in active and passive voice. Please note down this construction pattern along with these sentences. This will be helpful to you for practice at your home. Please note down this, student. Okay, some more sentences let me give you for practice, and those will be for 2 objects which we have done in earlier video. They called me for the party. We gave him a new house on rent. You promised me to throw a party for your success. Okay, so these are the sentences of simple past tense, and some sentences have has that two objects. Let's solve this today. They called me for the party. So for the party this suggests place, and this phrase has been started with preposition, so this will not change. So what will we do? So me will come first, and the answer is I was called by them for the party. Secondly, we gave him a new house on rent. Okay, students, here we have two objects, that is him and a new house. So we'll make two answers of it, and the answer is, first we'll take him as an object. So he was given a new house to he was given a new house by us on rent. And if we take a new house as an object, so a new house was given to him by us on rent. So these two answers are for sentence number 5. You promised me to throw a party for your success. So a party is here, that is object, and me is also object. So here we also have two answers. So the answer number 1 is, okay, I was promised by you to throw a party for your success. Okay, and if we take a party as an object, so students, here that answer is something little bit different. See, here we have to throw means it is infinitive. So how to change infinitive into passive voice, that will be discussed later, but first I'll write the answers. So if we take a party as an object, so what will happen? A party was promised to me by you. A party was promised to be thrown by you for your success. So that was the answer, but that we will not go for that now. Yes, you just note this one question in this one answer in this. So first you note down this, after that I will give you more sentences. Please note down this student. Some sentences I am writing here for your practice. Number 7. new book. So a new book was bought by her. So these are the affirmative sentences of simple past tense. Yeah, now you have some time to note down these all sentences. After that we will go for the negative sentence. Please note down this, student. Okay, now negative sentences. Negative sentences. So in simple past tense active voice, in negative sentences, what we do? So we generally use did not to suggest the negative sentence in simple past tense. So here what to do while we change those sentences into passive voice? So instead of did, you have to use was or were in place of did, with along with past participle in the passive voice. Don't forget, student, that without past participle and without that was word or in simple present tense, you can't even make a passive construction, or we can say right passive construction in grammar. So past participle is must in this passive voice construction. So here I am going to start the negative sentences of simple past tense. Before I start, I'll note down that active construction pattern of that negative sentence pattern. Let me write that. The sentence pattern of active voice in negative simple past tense is we need subject. After that we use did, not, V1, object and the other words. Okay, now we'll turn this sentence pattern into passive voice. So the passive construction is so as you know, student, that in passive voice subject and object will change its place. The same thing happens here. So this is the place of object, which is here this, sorry, subject, that is object of active voice, means this. After that, according to the subject, was and were is used. Not will be there, V3 by, after that object, or that object is the subject of active voice plus other words. Don't forget to put V3 after not. After not you have to put V3. That is the place of V3 after not. Okay, subject plus was verb plus not plus V3 by object and other words. Sentence is she did not collect her not collected by her yesterday. So this is the answer. Her coins were not collected by her yesterday. Okay, here is V1 because we used did here. So the two past will not come together in a sentence. So just here it is V1 because we used did here. That V1 turned into V3 while we change into passive voice. So she is our subject here. Did not collect. Her is object here. Her coins is object yesterday. Now this her coins comes here and we are talking about many coins. So were not collected by her yesterday. So this is content sentence and sentence of simple past tense. You have some time to note down this thing. Please note down this. Okay, now some more sentences for practice students. They did not catch their cat. Number 3 is we did not call her for these traits. Number 4 is I did not put my name. I did not write my name for the group dance. Okay. So these are the sentences. Let's solve this into passive. They did not catch their cat. So their cat was not COUGHT caught by them. The caught is the V3 of catch. So their cat was not caught by them. Number 3 is we did not call her for this trip. So her will come first, so it becomes she. She was not called by us for this trip. Now number 4 is I did not write my name for the group dance. So my name was not written by me for the group dance. So these are the more sentences of negative in simple past tense passive voice. Please note down this. Okay, student, now I will give you mixed sentences, means negative and affirmative both for practice, and we will solve that into passive voice. She did not keep her promise. Secondly, we arranged a big party for you. And number 3 is they kept my secret at last. Okay, so these 3 sentences will turn into passive voice. First is she did not keep her promise. So her promise is our object. So her promise was not kept by her. Okay, that is the answer. Her promise here we are talking about single promise. So her promise was not kept by her. Number 2 is we arranged a big party for you. So a big party was arranged by us for you. And number 3 is they kept my secret at last. So my secret will come first. My secret was kept by them at last. So these are the mixed sentences, students. Please here note down this. After that I will give you homework. And in homework you will find this kind of mixed sentences too. Please note down this. Okay, now it's time to give you homework, student. So in simple past tense I have given you mixed sentences. So this kind of thing you will find here in this. Turn the following sentences into passive voice. Sentences are: she did not ask her turn. Second it is: they gave me my book yesterday. Number 3 is: I taught a new lesson in my last period. Number 4 is: she did not open often the group yesterday, and at last is we did not invite them for our party. So these 5 sentences, and here you have mixed sentences of affirmative and negative. So these 5 sentences you have to do in your homework, and the instruction is turn the following sentences into passive voice. So here you have 3 negative sentences and 2 affirmative sentences. Please do this homework, student. This will be helpful you in 10th standard too. So we will meet again in next video. Till then, bye. Thank you.
You